Discover 3 time-saving kitchen hacks, Part 7. Transform your routine, maximize efficiency, and buy these ultimate game changers now.
Tired of messy, hard-to-clean cutting boards? Enjoy a durable cutting board designed to reduce scratches and stay reliable for years. One side for meat, one side for fruits and vegetables. Cleaner, safe for food preparation, no stubborn stains. Simply rinse and it's ready to use again. Built-in convenience with a non-slip design, hanging handle, and garlic grater. The perfect kitchen upgrade for every home. Buy now from eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Upgrade your kitchen experience with the titanium double-sided cutting board. Separate fruits and vegetables from meats for better hygiene and safer food preparation. Built from durable titanium, strong enough for daily chopping, slicing, and dicing. Simply wipe with water, and it's ready for your next cooking session. Save space, stay organized, and add a premium touch to your kitchen. Perfect for vegetables, meats, bread, dough, and more. Buy now on eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Transform your kitchen into a beautiful cooking space with premium natural teak wood utensils. Crafted from durable natural teak wood for long-lasting performance and timeless style. Safe for your cookware. Scratch-free, BPA-free, and food-safe. 8 essential tools for stirring, serving, mixing, flipping, and more. Heat-resistant, eco-friendly, easy to clean, and designed for everyday cooking. Upgrade your kitchen today. Enjoy quality, elegance, and convenience with every meal. Buy now from eBay. You'll find the link in the first comment and video description.
Love smart kitchen discoveries? Subscribe to Smart Kitchen Picks, like this video, and never miss amazing gadgets, tips, reviews,